Here's how to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT in just a few minutes a day. According to a recent study, professionals can save up to 5 hours a week by leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT. ChatGPT has revolutionized the way we approach tasks, but many of us are still using it like a beginner. Don't worry, this tutorial will bridge that gap and show you how to use ChatGPT like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll be able to craft advanced prompts that get you the desired results. Let's get started. To begin, you need to access the ChatGPT interface. If you're using the web version, simply head to chat.openai.com and log in with your account. If you're using the mobile app, tap the navigation menu on the bottom right corner to access the ChatGPT interface. Now that you're in, let's talk about the basics of ChatGPT. The AI is designed to respond to your input based on its training data, so the quality of your prompt plays a crucial role. Think of a prompt as a question or a task you